Okay guys, heading over to the Gettysburg bin to get a meat thermometer. Since we have two of them, so let's end this one right here. Brand new in package. Picked this up at an estate sale this year. I'm not sure if that video even came out yet. I think it has, maybe not. We'll see. If it did, I'll put a link above. We ended up getting $10.99 for this one, plus shipping. Okay, we're going to Lake Racetown to grab a signed baseball, which is right down here. This is a 2005 Pittsburgh Pirate team signed ball. I think there's about 12 autos on here. The Pittsburgh Pirate, or the Pirate Parrot, Bobby Hill, Benito Santiago, Scott Burnett, Michael Gonzalez, Jose Mesa, Freddie Sanchez, Jason Bay, David Ross, John Van Benskoten. I think that's all. Oh, Daryl Ward and Josh Falk. So really cool ball. We ended up getting $56 plus shipping. We took a best offer on this. Let's head out. Okay, next up is this Pittsburgh button. I love Pittsburgh. It's vintage, 2¼ inches. We ended up getting $2 plus shipping for this. So don't neglect buttons because sometimes they could be really good and fast sellers. Okay, this next item is one of these ones where this proves that you could just sell about anything. It's right in this bin here. We've sold some fake eyelashes, 8mm eyelashes. I think these came out of Amazon mystery box. We ended up taking a best offer of $5.50 plus shipping on these. So there's two sets. There's a ton of them in here. Yeah, so don't pass up items on this because, hey, double check them. Look them up because they could sell. Okay, so we have two items going out next. We have this vegetable peeler set, green and orange. We ended up getting $3.01 from this. We had two of these, and we got these from the Amazon mystery box. So really good deal here. Next up is this. It's like don't pull my ears, Donald Duck. This is going overseas, $14.99 plus shipping. Don't remember where we got this from. Probably a yard sale somewhere. It might have been one of the kids that bought this. So I'll have to double check with them. So yeah, good sale there right before Easter. Next up is this blue vintage Tupperware pitcher, $12.24. This is one of those cool ones that has the push top on and seals. Really, really nice pitcher. I'm trying to show you guys a good. Yeah, there you go. It's that vintage blue Tupperware, but $12.24 plus shipping. Okay, guys. Next up is 3 2020 Essential Employee mugs. These are the metal mugs. This is what they look like right here. I have one that I'm using as a pencil holder. This buyer paid $3.01 for each of these, and we're gonna hopefully combine shipping on these. I don't remember what it charged on the screen, but once I package them up, if it's over it, I will send some money back. Now we're heading to the pan bin, which isn't really the pan bin anymore, but we're going to get a golf club head cover. This is a sunflower or flower with the bumblebee, brand new with tags right here. We got $21.99 plus shipping. Picked this up at a yard sale last fall, and super happy to see this go. We got a couple offers, low balls, but we held our ground and we got our full asking price for it. Okay, now to the Gettysburg bin. Move the shirt. I think it's this one here. Thermo fork. This is like a grilling fork, brand new with tags. Almost positive this is it. Maybe not. Yep, this is it. $10.99 plus shipping. The video from this estate sale went up, I think, last week. So go check it out. I'll put a link up above somewhere. And yeah, go check it out. We picked up three of these, one of this, and then two of the different one. We've already sold two of them, so really good deal. Keep your eyes out for these at the estate sale because these do seem to move. Okay, so next we have these two cups going out. These are vintage high cool glasses. We have a green and a yellow. I guess it's a Harvest Gold they call it. Yep, we got $1.90 each per cup plus shipping. These will go out priority mail. They're going to go in this box right here with another item that the buyer bought. Over to the Baden bin. We just grabbed one of these the other day. And like I said, spring's coming up, so people are going to start buying these now. Customize it, Shakespeare crankbait. Paint your own bait. 8 plus. We ended up getting $7 plus shipping on this. 3 different size baits right there. Yep, so that's all going to one buyer. Stick it in this box and they'll be happy. Okay, so the next thing going out is the Glock jacket. This thing is finally heading out after a long time. I think it's a size medium. Port Authority Glock jacket, women's jacket. We got $45 plus shipping on this thing. So happy to see that heading out. And then the same buyer bought a piece of Tupperware. Small little piece down here. Yeah, right here. It's an egg separator. We took a best offer just because they bought the jacket. $2 plus shipping. So next we're going to go to the Walmart bin and get a pair of pants. Let me find this pair of pants and I'll show you. Okay, so we got the 58 by 30s Levi's, brand new with tags. $29.99. Plus shipping on that. Big size, big and tall, but happy to see these go. Okay, next we're heading to Lake Racetown. Right here. Move this mannequin real quick. We are grabbing, it should be these actually. 2 bottles. It's moisturizer. It's Spa Selections moisturizer, softening floral scent. 2 16-ounce bottles, $7.99 plus shipping. Not 100% sure where these came from. Probably Walmart cleaners a long time ago. Okay, down to the nail polish box. Somebody bought some apple picking nail polish. So now we just gotta find the apple picking. Let me see. We are looking for G103. That is the number. G103 right here. $10.18 shipped for 2 of these. So good deal going out there. Well guys, thanks for tuning into this video. This was a shorter What's Sold video than normally. We have not listed. For 2 weeks, we really have not listed. Maybe 1 or 2 things and that's it. We've been focusing on other things. We've been focusing on just life in general and stuff like that. So it's been nice to step back a little bit and just kind of clear our heads again and just, hey, we're gonna hit it hard and keep pushing forward. Making some few changes around, some things you'll notice in the videos in the near future, some things you'll notice on their eBay sales, stuff like that. But even not listing for 2 weeks, our sales were still good. Now the one good thing is, hey, we don't have to worry about eBay paying our bills, which is nice, so that we can do this and step away and focus on other things that need to be focused on. In this video though, there was a ton of items that just keep your eyes out for. Tupperware. Tupperware does sell. Not all of it, some of it does though. So keep your eyes peeled for the vintage Tupperware. In the video we had the smaller one that only sold for $2. But if you can get a bunch of stuff like that, bundle those ones up, that's where it'll sell. So with that, we're going to end this video here. Our link to our Whatnot is down below. Go check it out. Go hit the follow button. Also sign up on Whatnot. Make your first purchase. You get a $10 credit to your account to use on the site. We've been selling on Whatnot for the past couple weeks and we love it so far. We've given out some deals and we've also sold some stuff to clear out some inventory here. So that being said, until next time guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking guys. Bye.